As the crisp autumn air settles in and leaves transform into vibrant hues, nature reminds us that change is both inevitable and beautiful. For those in midlife, this season carries a special resonance. Much like trees shedding their leaves, midlife brings transitions that require us to let go and embrace new possibilities. Letting go isn't always easy, but just like trees preparing for new growth, we too are given the space to reflect and renew. Autumn reminds us that transformation is natural, and midlife brings about significant changes, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. This time of life sparks a renewed focus on personal passions, offering more room to explore hobbies, travel, or even start a new venture. Autumn is a time of balance, and midlife offers a chance to find balance between the past and the future, external demands and internal needs. This period encourages us to reflect on our accomplishments while looking ahead with curiosity, recalibrating priorities for physical and emotional well-being. Just as autumn is the season of harvest, midlife allows us to reap the rewards of decades of experience, becoming a rich resource for the years ahead. Embracing the harvest of midlife means recognizing and celebrating your achievements, honoring the knowledge gained to cultivate a more fulfilling future. As you walk through this season of life, embrace the fall of life with wonder and gratitude, knowing that this season too has its own special kind of magic.